Q5748. Pilots are required to have the anti-collision light system operating? A. Anytime an engine is in operation. B. Anytime the pilot is in the cockpit. C. During all types of operations, both day and night. The correct answer is C. During all types of operations, both day and night. Pilots are required to have the anti-collision light system operating during all types of operations, regardless of the time of day. This includes both day and night flights. The anti-collision light system, often referred to as the beacon or strobe lights, consists of lights that emit bright, flashing signals to enhance the visibility of the aircraft to other pilots and ground personnel. These lights serve as a safety measure to help prevent collisions by increasing the visibility of the aircraft, especially in low-light or reduced visibility conditions. 5975. When turning onto a taxiway from another taxiway, what is the purpose of the taxiway directional sign? A. Indicates direction to take off runway. B. Indicates designation and direction of exit taxiway from runway. C. Indicates designation and direction of taxiway leading out of an intersection. The correct answer is C. The taxiway directional sign indicates the names of the intersecting taxiways that are leading away from the intersection and that a pilot would typically be expected to turn onto or hot short of. 5980. The yellow demarcation bar marking indicates A. Runway with a displaced threshold that precedes the runway. B. A hold line from a taxiway to a runway. C. The beginning of available runway for landing on the approach side. The correct answer is A. A runway with a displaced threshold that precedes the runway. The yellow demarcation bar marking is used to indicate a runway with a displaced threshold. A displaced threshold is a portion of the runway where landing aircraft are not permitted to touch down. The yellow demarcation bar serves to visually separate the paved runway surface from the displaced threshold area. 5981. The runway holding position sign is located on A. Runways that intersect other runways. B. Taxiways protected from an aircraft approaching a runway. C. Runways that intersect other taxiways. The correct answer is A. Runways that intersect other runways. The runway holding position sign is typically located on runways that intersect other runways. It is used to indicate the holding point for aircraft on the runway that must wait for clearance before crossing or entering the intersecting runway. The sign helps ensure safe separation between aircraft operating on different runways. 5982. Runway holding position markings on taxiways. A. Identify where aircraft are prohibited to taxi when not cleared to proceed by ground control. B. Identify where aircraft are supposed to stop when not cleared to proceed onto the runway. C. Allow an aircraft permission onto the runway. The correct answer is B. Runway holding position markings on taxiways identify where aircraft are supposed to stop when not cleared to proceed onto the runway. The runway holding position markings on taxiways consist of solid white lines that indicate the point where aircraft should hold and wait when they have not received clearance to proceed onto the runway. These markings serve as a visual cue for pilots to know where to stop and await further instructions from air traffic control, ATC, or ground control before entering the runway. 5999. You are pre-flight planning in the morning before an afternoon flight. Where would you find information regarding an airport surface hotspot? A. Call the automated flight service station. B. In the Chart Supplements U.S. C. In the NOTAMs during your pre-flight briefing. The correct answer is B. A hotspot is referred to as a location on an airport moving area where there has historically been a higher danger of collision or runway incursion and where pilots and drivers must pay closer attention. Airport maps in the Chart Supplements U.S. show hotspots.